Alright, next video said I was going to run the motor. It's about 58 or 60 degrees, wind's blowing, it's kind of cold, and I hadn't started the engine. Little Corvette motor, 76 block, 447 lift Maladen cam, 305 HO heads. I run the RPMs up to about 6 grand, but that's about it. Electric water pump, aluminum radiator, transmission cooler, oil cooler, filters on both sides. It's the second engine. I blew up the first one. Bad push rods. Did good at Atlanta Motor Speedway. Didn't tear nothing up but the alternator. Let's see if it'll start. I can't reach it. Huh. Healy wheel. I have no idea what that sounded like on the video, but it sure sounded like it wanted to go. I like it. It's fun to drive. Scary as hell. About 118 is what the GPS said. I think it was a little faster than that. Very unstable in the rear end. Wants to lift in the back. Little spoiler in the front. It was lifting at about 90. I don't know why. I put that little spoiler on there, and it started pushing the front end down really good. 3 inches off the ground, so I'm kind of limited on where I can drive it. Doesn't like to turn. I think that's because of the real skinny front tires and the full posi rear end with the big drag radials on the back. Where's it at? 145 or 15s. Man comes. I had to order these stupid things because they don't make them in Georgia. Extreme drag. Beetle 555Rs. And they're pretty. Let's see if I can get a shot. Yeah. Good meats. Drive good, hook good. Don't take a whole lot to get them hot. That was a necessity. Gas tank still working good. Marine tank, who'd have thought? Had to glue the back windshield in. Come on. Couldn't get it to seal right. First one I put in, it popped out at about 100 miles an hour. When the front end started coming up, the back window shot out. Put another window in. No, I'm sorry. Second window came out at 100. First one popped out at about 80. Then when I put the spoiler on the front, that's when the second one popped out because I got over 100. So I had to glue the window in with automotive goop. Same stuff that I'm going to use for the Mustang windows. And so far that's held. It ain't popped out. Alright, well, let me check this out. That's 7.5 minutes. There she is. Need door glass, running boards, and the wing. Hood scoop. Rework on the paint. But I got tired of building it, needed to go drive it. Blinkers all, running lights hidden in the behind the louvers. Behind that louver is a brake cooling duct that didn't actually work all that great because when I turned the wheel, it rubbed the rubber duct work, had to take it off. So all I got is just a little piece of hose coming off the back of that thing, and it blows more towards the tire. Probably doesn't work at all, but so what? My blinkers are hidden in there. Alright, see ya.